In this video, I'm going to teach you the 5-minute scalping strategy, which is definitely going to surprise your broker with your trading. So before I start this video, those subscribers who are interested in booking their coaching sessions with me, please find the link to the Telegram channel in the description of this video and they can contact me regarding the booking of their coaching sessions. And moreover, if you want to join the broker that I personally use, the link is given in the description of this video below, and they offer a variety of trading account from standard send, raw spread zero, and the pro account. Okay guys, now let's move towards our strategy, and the strategy is very simple. We are going to use our main indicator that is called Vortex trend tracker by Profit program, and you can see 2102 traders are using this strategy, and it basically appears like a histogram on your screen. Okay, now we are going to attach the second indicator, which is quite powerful and only few traders know about it. That is called 3 EMA in one indicator, and in is ENN. Okay, 3 EMA in one indicator. Jesus, Mercado, and 335 traders are using it, and I have found this indicator to be very powerful. Now first of all, I am going to the settings of the EMA 31 indicator. So as you can see, we have the moving average with the 9 lengths, 20 length, and the 200. We will not change any kind of length inside it. However, we will make some changes into the opacity level of this colors. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a full opacity, and now I'm going to give it a thick moving average. Okay, so similarly you need to change all three colors like this. It should be thick like this. Okay, now you can see the moving averages are coming are showing very prominent on my screen, right? Okay, now the third one which is the 200 period moving average, and now we are going to give it a thickness exactly like this, and now I press OK, and now our trading setup is completely ready to trade. Okay guys, this indicator setup is very powerful. Do not ignore this thing because it works very well, especially on the 5-minute time frame. I will show you in the today's picture. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the entry rule. Okay, the entry rule is very clear. As you have a bullish crossover, so when there will be a bullish crossover, you will see that the green line will be at the top and the red line will go below. Okay, so it will have a bullish crossover like this, like you can see here. So bullish crossover, so we'll wait for the vortex trend tracker to give you a green signal, and then you can enter into it, and you can see how much profit it has given you on that trade. If we calculate the number of profit, then you can see that from here the histogram turned into green color. You can simply set up a stop loss at the previous low of the market, and you can just check that you were able to catch a very decent 2.05 trading ratio on this one. Okay, at next what we have a sell crossover. Here you can see a sell crossover, but we will wait for the histogram to turn into red color. So here it turned red, so you will set up a stop loss at the previous high of the market, and then you can see what you have targeted from this trade. If you can see that 0.47 almost trading ratio. Okay guys, one more thing, you can also set up a stop loss like this as well. It's not important to set up a stop loss at the previous high of the market. You can just set up a stop loss where the actually crossover happens. Okay, so this is how you can trade with this one. Okay, so I'm giving you a very practical example that when the moving averages are very close to each other, so what to do in that scenario. So for example, here you can see they are very close to each other. You need to wait here, because you need to wait for a proper crossover, because when they are close to each other, so for example, look at this pattern. Okay, here you will not even work on the histogram. So when they are too close to each other, you will not work. So find the trending markets on any pair. So for example, let's find the trending market. Look at here, euro JPY is trending down, so this is the good picture. Okay, so you can have a sell chances like this. Histogram trend red, the moving averages are going down. Okay, so whenever you are trading like this, you can simply make a very good profits. Do not trade the slow momentums, because the moving averages, you must at least look at the first couple of moving averages with the 9 and the 20 period. They are too close to each other, so it means that do not trade that one. Okay, so what is the role of the 200 period moving average here? So that's very simple. If you find the market candles above the 200 EMA and you see a green histogram, you can buy it, like it happened on USD CAD. Let me show you some other pairs. Okay, so it's not good to trade AUD JPY because you can see the moving averages are too close. That's not a good opinion to enter into it. So it was somehow good below the 200 EMA. You can see a very good sell chance. That's perfect to go with. Okay, let's go to gold and let's check how it's performing here. That's good. We have a bullish crossover. You can see it's pumped up right now. The sell crossover is working, but we will not take because we are above the 200 EMA. So we will only be going to take the buy positions instead of selling anything. So guys, this is the best strategy for the beginners as well as the professional traders, that this moving average combination with the period 9, 20 and 200 works very well with this vortex trend tracker. Moreover guys, at the end I say that those who are willing to book their coaching session with me, those who want to see that which strategy I personally use, they can contact me on Telegram. They can book their session with me, and then I will be guiding them with the price section little bit and with the proper strategy. So please make sure that you like, subscribe and share our videos with everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.